Hi everybody, I'm Nancy G. Baker, and in today's video, I want to show you how to make these yummy pumpkin cheesecake bars. I got this recipe from Dani Spies. She has a YouTube channel, Clean and Delicious. I'm always looking for healthy recipes, and this does contain cream cheese, but other than that, most of the ingredients are rather healthy, so I'm calling this a win when it comes to healthy recipes. I do use a little more spice than Dani, so I will include a link to her recipe as well as mine in the description box below. This is rather easy to whip up, so let's get started and I'll show you how it's done.